everyone. Today we were going to tackle about Lewin-James theory. So first, we were going to tackle about the background of Lewin or Kurt Lewin. So who is Lewin? He is German American in a psychology known as father of social psychology. He was born on September 9, 1890 in Mogilno, Germany. He studied medicine and biology at the University of Leipzig, then switched to psychology and philosophy at the University of Berlin. He earned his PhD in psychology in 1914. He served in World War I, which influenced his interest in social behavior and group dynamics. After the war, he returned to the University of Berlin as a professor and researcher. In 1933, when the Nazis came to power, Lewin, who was Jewish, immigrated to the United States, worked at Cornell University, which is University of Iowa, and later founded the Research Center of Group Dynamics at MIT. Okay, so now let's proceed to tackle about Lewin-James theory. So what is Lewin-James theory? Lewin-James theory is behavioral model developed by Kurt Lewin that explain how genes happen in three stages. It helps people and organizations move from old behavior to new one effectively. So sa madaling salita, yung living change behavior, pinapakita lang niya or pini-explain lang niya kung paano nababago yung mga pangyayari. Kumbaga stage. So there are three stages of Lewin-James theory. Okay, so now let's proceed to tackle about the stage 1 of Lewin-James theory. So, which is the unfreeze. So, this is when you realize that something need to change, you prepare people to accept that change is necessary. So, basically, yung unfreeze is ito yung nakitaan nyo na may mali sa rules or sa mga implementation na meron kayo. Kaya naman, dito na sa stage na to, nagpre-prepare na kayo sa pagbabago since may nakikita na kayong mali. So, and the stage 2, which is the change and move, this is when the actual change happen. New ideas or ways are introduced and people start learning or adjusting. So, dito naman sa stage na to, kumbaga, make the change. Kumbaga dito na ginagawa itong pagbabago na to. Gumawa kayo ng bagong rules kasi nga nakitaan nyo ng mali. And the stage 2, which is the change and move, this is when the actual change happen. New ideas or ways are introduced and people start learning or adjusting. So, dito naman sa stage na to, kumbaga, make the change. Kumbaga dito na ginagawa itong pagbabago na to. Gumawa kayo ng bagong rules kasi nga nakitaan nyo ng mali, and in this stage naman is ginagawa nyo na talaga yung dapat na baguhin, and nag-a-adjust na talaga yung mga tao. And so let's proceed naman sa repage, which is stage 3. So this is when the new way becomes the normal way of doing things. Everyone is used to it and the change becomes permanent. Kumbaga, dito naman sa stage na to is yung rules na binago nyo, nagiging normal na para sa inyo. Parang normal na talaga. Hindi na kailangan ng pagbabago doon dahil nakasanayan nyo na talaga. So, yun ang explanation ng Lewin-James theory.
So now, this is Lewin's model of change. So meron tayong tatlong models of change si Lewin. So number 1 is unfreeze. So number 2 is change. And number 3 is refreeze. So unfreeze is preparing for the desired change. So change is implementing the desired change. So number three is refridge. So refridge is solidifying the desired change.